This 2007 Roush Stage 3 is a low-mileage warhorse that's functionally cooler, significantly quicker, and more athletic. If you're looking for the perfect combination of classic show, OEM quality, and major go, this exclusive Ford is for you. The 5th generation Mustang is heralded as some of the best-looking metal produced in decades. With bulging fenders and crisp lines, the car's design not only plays well into the current trend of nostalgic goodwill, but also appeals to just about anyone with a pulse. And this low-mileage Roush Stage 3 takes those crowd-pleasing traits and wraps them in two things Mustangs arguably wear best: dark paint and aggressive stripes. Unlike most tuners, Roush Performance adds attractive interior upgrades to all their vehicles. Steal one glance inside this pony car and you'll find a top-of-the-line cockpit that still retains its new car appearance. The two-tone seats are supple leather buckets with Stage 3 embroidery and face a silver spoke steering wheel, and the driver takes charge with a billet Roush shifter. Created as a turnkey package for enthusiasts who want a reliably engineered Mustang that unlocks the full potential of Ford's legendary mod motor, the Stage 3 package utilizes a root-style supercharger to crank out 415 horsepower. The name Jack Roush is synonymous with racing and extreme performance, and when that name adorns a line of modified Mustangs, you know there's something special. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.